Hola, festejemos el mes de la herencia hispana con unas recetas muy ricas. Let's celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month with some delicious recipes.
Hello, this is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library, here to show you a recipe from Foods of the America in correspondence with Hispanic Heritage Month, available at Greensboro Public Library. Today's recipe is going to be Venezuelan Arepas. For your ingredients, you're going to need corn flour or masa harina, sea or kosher salt, water, and corn oil for cooking. Step 1. In a large bowl, combine your flour and your salt, and then add your water. Add only enough water so that the dough is firm enough to hold its shape on its own. Step 2. Separate your dough into 8 equal pieces. For step 3, you form each piece into a cake that is about 3.5 inches diameter and 1/3 inch thick. Now it's frying time. Step 4, heat some of your corn oil in a saute pan over medium heat. For step 5, add your cakes to the pan, turning once until both sides are golden brown, about 4 minutes each side. For step 6, you're going to transfer to a prepped and oiled baking sheet to finish cooking in the oven. Bake in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 20 minutes, turning over once or twice. To test for doneness, tap the cakes with your fingers. They should sound hollow. For step 8, carefully remove from the oven and serve immediately with feta cheese. Enjoy! Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the GPL Collection. See you next time. Have a good day.